Hi guys, you're welcome back to my channel. In today's video I'm going to be showing you my weekend skincare routine. The reason why I call it a weekend skincare routine is because it is during the weekend that I usually have time to properly clean and wash my face properly. So before I apply the different mixtures to my face, I wash my face so that the dirt and the germs on the surface of my skin will not get into my pores and cause acne later. So always make sure you wash your face before you do your skincare routine. You can also use your hands to wash your face, but make sure you wash your hands properly before touching your face. Then let's make the mixture. I usually have different types of mixture I apply on my skin during the weekend, but in today's video I'm going to be using turmeric face mask, and we are going to be needing milk, turmeric powder, apple cider vinegar and lemon. Add 2 to 3 spoons of turmeric powder and 2 to 3 spoons of milk. And about 2 spoons of apple cider vinegar. The essence of adding apple cider vinegar is for it to fade off our dark spots, and you apply and you add a little bit of lemon juice. Lemon is also very good for fading off dark spots. Mix it together to form a paste. Then I added a little bit of coconut oil, or you can add any oil of choice. The essence of adding the oil is for it to moisturize the face. Make sure the mixture is not too watery and is not too hard. Then the next thing is to steam and open my pores. You can use a face steamer or you can use a steam of hot water. Here I'm using a bowl of hot water, and I applied a few drops of tea tree oil, essential oil in the water. The essence of steaming the face before applying the mixture is to open up the pores so that the mixture you are going to apply on your face will work properly. After that, you apply the mixture to your face and allow it to sit for a while. Please, if you've not subscribed to my channel, please do so by clicking the subscribe button down below. And also don't forget to leave a thumbs up and a comment in the comment section. After that, you wait for about 20 to 30 minutes before washing it off with soap and water. Make sure you get the turmeric off your face properly by washing more than twice. Here I'm using my tomato face soap to wash my face. If you would like to know how I made this tomato face soap, please check my previous video. After washing my face, you allow it to dry up a bit. Then I applied my tea tree essential face oil. Please be very careful with the turmeric face mask. It got into my eye, that's why my eye is red. Then after cleaning my face with essential oil, I applied my vitamin C face serum. I also have a video on how to make your own homemade vitamin C face serum. Then also I applied my face moisturizing cream. I also have a video on how I made this cream. After that, I apply sunscreen to my face. The essence of applying sunscreen is for it to protect your skin from the sun. Thanks for watching my video, and I will see you in my next one.